Found some rust bubbles down here, and I got to wire brush them off. Luckily, so far on this spot, if I can get my phone to focus, I don't think we're going to have any rust holes. You can see where the little pinch welds are from the factory. That's some areas where the rust was forming. I think since the past owner had fixed a dent here, this rocker panel has been replaced on this car. It's pushed in a little bit. There's nothing I can do about it now. But this quarter panel got dented too. So they repaired it. And I guess when they repaired it, they must have touched the bare metal with their fingers or something here and got rust started. But I don't know if you can tell with that, I just took the wire brush and dug into the Bondo. Give you an idea of how deep it is. And, it looks like it's almost 3/8 of an inch thick right there. Luckily, it gets thinner out to where the door meets the car. So that's a good thing. That means the doors aren't going to need too much adjusting. But if the quarter panel was pushed way in and they built a bunch of Bondo up on it, then you got to put the door back on the car, readjust the door, get the quarter panel fitting right and all this and that, and then do the body work to the quarter panel. It takes a lot more time. But, so far, it's looking good there. As for these little holes right here, I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be able to weld them up. I'm not going to have to cut anything out. That's another good thing. Knocking on wood, another place that I'm anticipating to find rust is the bottom of the front fenders. I know there's a little body filler there, but other than that, I think we're pretty good to go on most things. Once I get this rust done and the panel replacement done, doing the body and paint work will come a lot faster. We can kind of breeze through it, so to say, compared to the rate it's been taking so far. But just wanted to give that update for today.